Hello, how are you? You are welcome. My name is Teacher Luca Yohana. I am thrilled to guide you in this tutorial about chemistry in the topic of atomic structure. Yes, question number 1, let's see. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in chemical reaction. So you may define atom in that way. But the atom is a particle that determines the chemical characteristics of a certain element. Okay. Question number 2. Name the 3 subatomic particles and identify their particular charges. The atom is made up of 3 subatomic particles, which are atom is made up of 3 subatomic particles, which include or which are, number 1 is called the proton, and the second particle is called the neutron. These together are called the nucleons. Nucleons, why? Because they are found inside the nucleus. And another subatomic particle is called the electron. And this electron always revolve around the nucleus of an atom. Consider the sketch diagram of the atom. This is the atom, and here inside the atom we have nucleus. The nucleus is found in the atom. So this is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus we have particles called the nucleons, which are proton and the neutron. And around the nucleus we have what are called the electrons. So electrons revolve around the nucleus. So these are the electrons. Now let's see the charges. Identify the charges of particular of these subatomic particles. The proton has a positive charge. And proton cause the nucleus to have the positive charge or in the atom. And neutron, according to its name, it has no charge. Which means it has charge of 0. Somebody can say it has charge of 0. But also here we have an electron. Electron has negative charge. Yes, so the electron has negative charge while the proton has the positive charge. So this positive charge of the proton cause the nucleus to have the positive charge. So the positive charge of the nucleus is due to proton. Let us go for another question. Why are atoms electrically neutral? Why are atoms electrically neutral? The atoms are electrically neutral because the number of protons present in the atoms are equal to the number of electrons in the atom. So because the proton contain positive charge and electron contain negative charge, now they are equal in number, so they cancel each other. That is why the atoms are electrically neutral. Yes. So here, because number of protons which are positive charge is the same as number of electrons which are negative charges. For example, consider maybe you are given, maybe this is the fluorine. The fluorine atom has how many protons? it has about 9 protons. So if it is just neutral, and now the number of electrons are 9, so it has 9 electrons. So if it has 9 protons and 9 electrons, they cancel each other and the charge remains as 0 or neutral. Yes. Number 4, write the electronic configuration for the following atoms. Okay, so we are going to write the electronic configuration for the following atoms. Number 1 is sodium atom. How do we write the electronic configuration for sodium atom? So according to the arrangement of atoms in the periodic table of the first 20 elements, sodium is has the atomic number of 11. So if it has the atomic number of 11, so it has 11 electrons. How do we write them? Sodium, this one is written as 2 ratio 8 ratio 1. So this is the electronic configuration for sodium atom. And for potassium ion is written by capital letter K, and this is positive charge. Why? Because it has already lost 1 electron. So for potassium ion, and how many electrons of potassium when it is neutral? For a neutral potassium, it has 19 electrons. But for potassium ion, it has already lost 1 charge, 1 electron. So it will have 18 electrons. So this will be 2, 8, 8, and you know 1 there because it is positive. That means it has lost 1 charge. Okay. For chlorine, so for chlorine atom, this one, capital letter C, small letter L, it will be 2, 8, 7. Why? Because it has a 17 number of electrons. Now, for oxide ion is from oxygen. So now, oxygen here, the chemical symbol for oxygen, but oxide ion, this is the oxygen, has already gained 2 electrons. So oxide is written by this, 2 negative. That will be 2. You know, how many number of electrons? Electrons in oxygen atom? There are 8. So when it has gained 2 electrons, here it will be 8. So 280. That is for oxide ion. It is different from normal oxygen, that is 2 ratio 6. Yes. Wow. Now, question number 5. Solution for this, here, nuclide notation. Nuclide notation is a presentation of an atom by using a mass number and atomic number, whereby the mass number is represented in the superscript position, while atomic number is shown in the subscript position. Let us go. For example, here, so the nuclide notation for, let's say this is an atom X having mass number is written, shown by A, and atomic number represented by Z. So this one is in superscript position, while this is the subscript position. So it is shown in this way. Now, the particular atom is carbon. Our particular atom is carbon. So, this is carbon. So, carbon, what is the atomic number of carbon? Carbon has the atomic number of 6. And what is the mass number of carbon? The mass number of carbon is 12. Yes. So, this is a nuclide notation of carbon. Yes. Can you try to find the nuclide notation for this? Is for your own assignment. Can you try for sodium? Can you try for magnesium? Can you try for chlorine? Do it by yourself. Then you will show me in the comments below. Question number 6. Yes, atom Q has a mass number of 39 and 19 electrons. Find out the proton number, atomic number, neutron number. D. Draw its electronic configuration diagram. And the last question is write its electronic configuration. Yes. So here, this is the atom Q having a mass number of 39. So I can write, I can try writing its nuclide notation. This is Q. This is atom Q. Has mass number of 39 and has 19 electrons. 19 electrons means it has atomic number of 19. So automatically 19 is here. So now let us solve this question. Proton number. The proton number is equal to number of electrons, but also proton number is equal to atomic number. Therefore, now proton number is equal to, now here the proton number is equal to 19. Again, atomic number, always number of electrons is equal to number of protons is equal to number of atomic number. Therefore, this is equal to number of electrons, which we are 19. Another one is neutron number. How can we get the neutron number? Neutron number, from this formula, that is A equals to Z plus N. A is mass number, Z is atomic number, and N is number of neutrons. Therefore, I am required to find the neutron number. So, by plugging this given data, plug in A. What is A? A is 39. So here 39 equals to Z, which is the atomic number. We have already got it. That is 19 plus N. You see? So now taking this to this one here, taking this to here, you will find that 39 minus 19 equals to N. Therefore, N equals to 39 minus this one, get 20. So how many neutron number? Neutron number is equal to 20. Very good. Now let us go for the last one. Draw the electronic configuration for atom Q. We have to draw electronic configuration of atom Q, which has 19 electrons. Here, first of all, we have to know how many number of electrons. They are 19. So this is automatical drawing. This is the nucleus, starting the first shell, then the second shell, and then we go for another third shell, and the last one. Okay, so now we go. How many number of electrons? 19. The first shell contains 2 electrons. So let's put this dot of symbols. Okay, X and X. First shell contains maximum 2 electrons. The second shell contains maximum 8 electrons. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the second shell. So 2 plus 8, 10. We have the remaining 9 electrons. For the third shell, contain maximum 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it contains 8 electrons. And the last one remaining is 1 electron, this one. So this is electronic configuration diagram for Q. So this is the Q. Q is represented by this. And the E is write its electronic configuration. Electronic configuration for Q will be, that is Q equals to, the first shell has 2 electrons, the second shell has 8 electrons, the third shell has 8 electrons, while the fourth one has 1 electron. Yeah, so that is all. My friend, thank you so much for listening. I want you to comment. You can comment by writing more questions. You can check me for more consultation, and then I can help you to just any questions related with the chemistry and other science subjects. Thank you so much. You are welcome.